Halo Makanku lovers! Let's unboxing Makanku 10-in-1. Makanku 10-in-1 consists of 10 pieces Makanku, 10 pieces heating pad, 10 pieces crunchy flakes, 10 pieces sambal, 10 pieces spoon, 10 signature series box. How to use? First, take signature series box, then put 1 pieces crunchy flakes, 1 pieces sambal, 1 pieces spoon, 1 pieces heating pad, and 1 pieces Makanku. Close it. Then Makanku ready to take away. After use, clean the signature series box. You may reuse it next time.